So a lot of people know me from my YouTube channel, DoRite Fabrication, but what a lot of people don't know is that I'm a full-time engineer paramedic for the fire department. I've got about 27 years experience in the fire service, and I've used my skills as a fabricator to build different things here at the fire department. Let me take you around and show you a few. So I like to use my skills as a fabricator and a maker to help my job here at the fire department. And one of the things I came up with was a tool holder system here for our fire trucks. These are the hydraulic rescue tools, also known as the jaws of life. These are a pair of spreaders and cutters. These are used to cut people out of an entrapped car. I came up with a system to hold the tools for quick deployment. They pull right off the truck, go right to hose reel so the guys can go right to work. Also in this compartment are a set of rams that will connect to this hydraulic unit. These rams are used for pushing with extreme amounts of force. There are all different lengths to the rams in here, and all of these fit in these tool holders, and they hold in place firmly and are ready for quick deployment. So one of the responsibilities of an engineer on the fire department is the apparatus, or the piece of fire equipment. Not only making sure that it's maintained properly and it's in proper working order, but driving it or getting it to the scene safely. Also, if it's a fire situation, the engineer is responsible for making sure the water gets into the fire truck and then goes out to where it's needed at the proper pressures. This particular fire truck is capable of pumping 1,550 gallons of water a minute at 250 psi. That's a lot of water for a lot of guys to handle.